In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Teamviewer on your Mac, whether you're working from home or need to provide remote tech support. Installing Teamviewer is a straightforward process that'll connect you efficiently with others. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser. This could be Safari, Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser you normally use on your Mac. Once you've got your browser open, head over to the search bar. Here, simply type in Teamviewer. Now, you may find several search results, but look for the official Teamviewer site. Typically, it should be one of the top results, identified by the URL, which generally follows the pattern www.teamviewer.com. After landing on the Teamviewer homepage, you'll likely see a big, inviting button that says Free Download. Go ahead and click on that. At this point, you might be prompted to select a plan. Don't worry, for individual use and most personal needs, the free plan works perfectly fine. Select the plan that best suits you, ensuring that it aligns with your primary use case, whether it's for personal connections or initial business needs. Now that you've got the plan sorted, you should be directed to a new screen that presents different download options based on your operating system. Since we're doing this on a Mac, look for and click on the Mac OS option. This action tells the website that you want the specific version of Teamviewer designed for the Mac operating system. Ensuring you download the correct version is crucial for a seamless installation and the best performance of the application on your device. Once you click on the Mac OS option, your download should begin automatically. You can generally see the download progress in the bottom area of your browser, or it might be in a dedicated download section depending on the browser you're using. It's worth mentioning that if you have any pop-up blockers enabled, they might occasionally interfere with the download initiation, so you might need to allow this specific download if prompted. After the download completes, you'll have a file typically ending with .dmg, indicating it's a Mac OS installer file. Next, you'll want to click on this file to start the installation process. This part involves following the on-screen prompts that the installer provides. These prompts are generally straightforward and involve dragging the Teamviewer icon into your Applications folder, indicating it's ready for full use. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and are just a step away from installing Teamviewer on your Mac. Thanks for watching, and enjoy connecting remotely with Teamviewer.